Hi everyone, it's Danielle from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and I'm going to draw the winner of my prize pack for last month. So last month I said anyone in the team YL Sunshine Diamonds do a 100 PB order, and you go in the draw for the perfume bottle. So you can actually make your own perfumes, which is great. Put it on, all non-toxic, and make your own scent. And the other thing you can go in the draw to win is our case where you can actually put in the oils in here, and it's a lovely little travel case. It's got the little Seed to Seal logo on it, so great little prize pack there. So we had a few people enter the draw. We had all these. So can you kind of see who I've got here? I've got a couple of people all in there. So these are the people who entered. So let me put it in the bowl and we will see who the winner is today. So the winner today, give it a bit of a stir. And the winner is Kate H. Can you see it? So Kate H, you are the winner of the prize pack. Well done. And everyone have a great one. Bye.